Today's newspaper highlight a very important article on irrational use of antibiotics and its impact on human life. Antibiotics जिसको मिरेकल ड्रग्स के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, आज दुनिया में कई सारी बड़ी बीमारियों का इलाज इन एंटीबायोटिक्स के वजह से संभव हो पा रहा है. Hundreds of thousands of lives are being saved every year with their usage. But क्या इनके भी कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स हो सकते हैं? क्या इन दवाइयों को सही तरीके से लेना सबको पता है? क्या डॉक्टर्स सारे पेशेंट्स को इसके इफेक्ट्स के बारे में अवेयर करते हैं? The overuse and misuse of antibiotics in humans, animals and agriculture have severe and often overlooked consequences. While the world is acutely aware of that such practices drive antimicrobial resistance, that is AMR, a more insidious danger lies beneath the surface. So ये microbiome होता क्या है? Microbiome refers to the diverse community of microorganisms including bacteria, viruses, fungi and other microbes that live within and on the human body and in various environments. Astonishingly, our bodies host approximately 38 trillion microbial cells, outnumbering cells which total around 30 trillion. Each person has a unique network of microdata that is originally determined by one's DNA. A person is first exposed to microorganisms as an infant during delivery in the birth canal and through the mother's breast milk. Or exactly which microorganisms the infant is exposed to depends solely on the species found in the mother. Later on, environmental exposures and diet can change one's microbiome to be either beneficial to health or place one at greater risk for disease. The gut microbiome plays a very important role in maintaining our health. While antibiotics are used to treat bacterial infections, while their irrational usage can wreck the immune system of the body. ये जो एंटीबायोटिक्स होते हैं ये अच्छे माइक्रोब्स और बुरे माइक्रोब्स में डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर पाते हैं, for which they wipe out large amount of gut bacteria. The gut microbes interacts with various organs through complex networks known as gut organ axis. These interactions influence the overall health and functioning of the body. The gut-brain axis links the gut microbiome with the brain, where dysbiosis can alter neurotransmitter levels and brain chemistry, affecting mood, cognition, mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. Beyond the gut microbiome और भी organs में crucial role play करते हैं in our body. The skin microbiome protects against harmful microorganisms and supports skin health. The respiratory tract microbiome helps defend against respiratory infections and maintains respiratory health. Antibiotic can reduce colonization resistance, allowing harmful bacteria to take hold and proliferate, increasing the risk of infection. Given the profound impact of antibiotics on the microbiome and the long-term health consequences, it is crucial to use antibiotics judiciously. Antibiotics have revolutionized medicine, but their misuse poses serious threats. The concept of medicine being a poison when misused is particularly relevant here. In the right hands, these miracle molecules cure infections and save lives. However, if misused, they disrupt the microbiome and contribute to a host of health problems, essentially becoming poisons. Antibiotics are a prime example of the medicine poison paradox. Preserving the balance of our microbiome is essential for maintaining our health. We must carefully consider our use of antibiotics before taking them. It also underscores the importance of maintaining a balanced and diverse microbiome for overall health and well-being. Thank you.